Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to integrate DocuSign with Monday.com. So let's get started. First, go to Zapier and log in. Zapier is a web automation platform that connects various online apps and services, allowing users to automate tasks and streamline workflows without coding. Now, go to the left side and click Create, then select Zaps. In the first bar, search for DocuSign and select it. On the right side, fill in the details. Complete the Trigger Event option. Sign in to connect with DocuSign. Enter your account type, then click Continue. Complete the test option, then click Continue at the bottom. Now, in the second bar, search for Monday.com and select it. Complete the Action Event option. Sign in to connect with Monday.com. Complete the Configure option. Complete the Test option, then click Confirm at the bottom. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.